To St. James now, where residents in sections of the parish are still struggling to recover after Hurricane Melissa. And while cleanup efforts continue, a major concern is now emerging. And Thonia Atkinson has the details.
Mud, debris and other personal belongings washed from homes still line parts of the roadway in Caffin Hall, St. James. However, the biggest concern now is lack of water. Without it, residents are unable to clean their homes and there are other health risks.
It's very hard because we don't have no water to do nothing. So I don't mention about the light. The light can stay, but prefer the water right now. Because we can't clean the house, we can't do nothing. We're just trying to cope. That's the best will come as soon as possible. We can get some water, so we can rinse out some clothes, wash out my house and all that stuff.
At the DRB Grant Basic School, the vice principal says the situation has worsened not only because of damage, but because of looting.
From principal's office down to the kitchen. So everything needs to be put back. So we are seeking help. Anybody who can help us, entities that can help us. And then to put on top of it, the community members looted the place. So it was really heartrending to see all of this.
For his part, Councillor for the Spring Garden Division Dwight Crawford has begun to install water tanks for domestic use in the community. He says additional tanks with drinking water will be distributed in the days ahead.
The reason that we have this water tank here and the reason that we've been primarily focusing on feeding persons and supplying them with food is because we understand that at a time like this where persons don't have a good source of water and they don't have a good place to cook, these diseases are very likely. There are 8 of these 1,000-gallon tanks in Catherine Hall and 3 in West Green. Okay. And they're all being filled by NWC daily.
In the meantime, acting corporate public relations manager at the National Water Commission, Delano Williams, says the NWC is working to restore full service, but access remains limited as repairs continue in affected zones.
We can confirm that at 5 p.m. today, November 11th, we have restarted operations at the Great River facility. Our teams are now mobilizing in terms of tracking the line into areas such as Catherine Hall, West Green, downtown Mobe, and we are already seeing signs that the water supply has restored into these communities. We do know that there are going to be places where there may be breaks, there may be places where there are local blockages, and our teams will work to rectify those. But for the time being, operations have restored. Water supply has been coming back to a number of these communities.
Thonia Atkinson, TVJ News.